Hey guys, today we're gonna speedrun the digging update with laser guns because it's too long to dig. It takes too long to dig. It's probably a lie. I'll probably grab myself a flashlight. I mean, it's recommended. It's a recommended idea. Nah. No light. Okay. I will end the timer when we get outside of the... Oh, good.
Alright guys.
Alright. Starting timer now. So we're trying to end once we get
Alright, now go.
this way.
Oh, by the way,
Yeah. No jump. Anything. Okay.
I'll use that.
Start the boss fight. We need MRE's helpful. So use flashlight no more. Nice. Okay, this is it. Get the close. That's good. I need lightsaber or something. Okay, let's do it. Okay, turn it down. Okay, I can get lightsaber. Come on. Back to five.
Oh my god, I cannot run.
No, please. Okay. Turn it down. Yeah, like what's your like? There. I can already. You should be able to. Okay, give me the thing, Wait, you have health?
Yeah.
I got already. Wait.
I already opened it.
Where?
I'm not hitting it. It's good.
Oh, you did. Oh, I mean, it's pretty hard. Come on.
Oh, you're already.
It's an easy one that's like up.
Oh, yeah.
You did? It's a different probably on I just like being Come here. Oh, that's what I have to do. I don't know why we decided to go here of all places.
Alright,
I'm stuck.
Gary laser gun out?
Yay! Okay, another laser. Let me that.
Oh, no.
Okay. Okay.
Oh no, it's glitched.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. This way. Stand off of it.
Well, I can't get in. Wait.
Got it.
Oh, there we go.
That's what the key's
Now,
for.
there.
Dang, how did we just find that out? You have to put the key on it.
Really?
And it opens up. Yeah. We were just staring at that
Oh,
thing
that's
like
what the
idiots.
key is for. I'm gonna put it in.
Yep, put it in.
Oh, what the? There we go.
Alright.
Alright, lasers are actually good for both banana. Open it. Open. Yep. Oh my god.
I just jumped off the edge. I'm already down. Okay, go this way.
This way. By the way, guys, it's always
Okay,
this way.
so by the way, so also, tape is right there.
Oh my
Right there,
god.
up there. Tape. I'll do a whole tape video. Okay. Core. No, I speed up. No point cutting out the 19 the time ones. You want to leave. If you like to speed up, get free. Okay.
Alright, lasers.
Just need to speed up. Time will speed up. Stop time. Okay, you got to get this one more up here. I'll get down. Fine. No, it's not good. What am I doing? You don't want to go back. Oh, fuck. I'm going to stop it. I don't want to do. I'll say something. Stop. Alright. Our time was whatever's up there. I don't know. We'll figure it out during editing. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.
Yep. Peace.
Can you do the peace symbol? Peace. Peace.